Hi, I'm Cameron Lincoln.
And I'm Rodaris Richardson. This is a Penn State Today Quickcast. Alumni, students, parents, and the community are still talking about a memorable homecoming weekend in State College. One of the highlights was the parade that made its way across campus and downtown. There were performances by Penn State clubs, the band, and dance groups. Sports broadcaster Lisa Salters was the Grand Marshal. Many alumni returned to visit with old friends to see places that were special for them during their time here. For Carol and Kevin Corby, this was their first time back in almost 40 years.
Lots of memories.
Yeah, a lot of memories. A lot of things have changed, but a lot of things still here. And just the campus, really awesome to walk around the campus and see all the old and new buildings.
The weekend included lots of sports, including hockey, volleyball, soccer, and more than 106,000 fans at the football game.
The President's Office Open House event is set for Friday at University Park. The event is at Old Main and is open to faculty, staff, students, and the public. Visitors can tour the President's Office, view the frescoes, and check out the bell tower. The event is from 2 to 4 p.m.
The Penn State Thespian Society is preparing for opening night of its fall musical, Young Frankenstein. The musical is based off Mel Brooks' comedy about Victor von Frankenstein's grandson who unwittingly inherits his grandfather's estate in Transylvania. The Thespian Society welcomes the public to see another Frankenstein monster come alive just in time for the Halloween season.
Just see Young Frank for a good time. It's a really awesome show. It makes you laugh, it makes you cry. The vocals are incredible. The choreography is insane. There are 7 show-stopping numbers. One of them is a 7-minute tap number, and it's really, really awesome. There's a monster in platform shoes, and we got it all.
You can see Young Frankenstein starting Thursday and continuing through Saturday in Schwab Auditorium. Tickets are available in the hub or at the door. For more info, visit the Penn State Thespian Society Facebook page.
That's all for this Penn State Today Quickcast.
You can see more student-produced work from the Belisario College of Communications on our website, commedia.psu.edu. Have a good day.